Headless CMS separates information from presentation. We've covered the information aspect by teaching you how to create and manipulate your content in different ways. Now we will cover the presentation aspect and show you how Penzle provides content via APIs for developers to query and build applications with. Penzle provides 3 APIs that you can interact with: Content Delivery API, Content Management API, and GraphQL API. Delivery API covers all manners of data retrieval, while Management API provides endpoints for modifying and deleting your content. Management API is primarily useful to developers working on back-end side of things, where you sometimes have to modify content directly through code. GraphQL API gives you the ability to query for data that you want in exactly the format you need it in. We are interested in Penzle Content Delivery API since we have successfully created articles and authors for our blog website, and now we want to display that info. We don't care about Management API because we will always use CMS to modify our blog content. Before interacting with API, we need to do some preparation. From Sidebar, let's navigate to Settings and then Projects and select our project. Open up the API Token Project settings. Right now, we can see we have no tokens currently active on our project. Let's create a new Delivery API token. Let's give our token a name, description, and an expiry date. Make sure to choose Content Delivery Token as the token type. We also need to select all environments we want this token to apply to. With this, we have completed the preparation for interacting with third-party API, and next we will show you how to consume an API in different front-end scenarios.